Hi, and welcome to today's show. I'm Paul Wheels, 2020 Vision Hack. Looks like we've got some connectivity issues here in Newcastle. There seems to be a bit of a flurry of snow happening again, so apologies on that. Hey, we're here to meet team number 5 for phase 2 with the 80-link 2020 Vision Hack that we've partnered with Intel with to find industrial solutions to industrial problems. I'm very pleased to introduce you to Aswin and Divya, who I'll be bringing on right now. Hi, guys. How are you doing?
Hi.
Hi. Aswin, would you like to introduce yourself? Let us know a little bit about your background and where you found out about the hack.
Yeah, I found out about the hack from Intel and the hackathon, and I'm a software developer myself. I found the team joining soon when I joined in the hackathon.
And Divya, how did you come across the hack?
Actually, I'm always, active on Hackathon page, so I'm always looking and screening through different hackathons. So this one I found very interesting, and I saw Ashwin's team. So
Hmm.
and I saw there were many people, and I liked their ideas. There was abstract idea, so I pinged him, and I was fortunate enough that he replied me back, and I joined in. So from there, it's been great as we have always been Google Meet team, meetings, and we have been
Hmm.
finalizing our idea. So it's been really great.
And so like with there's about 4 of you, isn't there, in the team?
Yes,
And you're
yes,
all taking sort of different roles. So what's your role within the team, Divya?
yeah. So in the starting, we have brainstormed about the idea. We have made presentations and thought about different aspects of what it could be and what exactly we can use. Even if we take a forklift, or how can we use the camera as a computer vision in detecting per se hazardous materials in the container, inside the container.
Hmm.
So right now I'm working through my setups. Like I have to completely there like kind of things which I have to set up on my machine. So I'm right now doing that, and then I will of course join with my team to start with the real work.
Brilliant. Aswin, would you like to talk us through what the problem is that you're looking to solve and how you're going to do it?
Yeah, we're providing a 3D visibility for the cargo yard, so which is most of the 3 or 4 cameras will be watching the cargo yard, and we'll come up with a data extraction plan so that someone can actually annotate the vehicles which are going outside of the cargo yards.
Hmm.
So when it's in the supply chain, someone can actually access the data and get to know what's happening, in the transportation.
And we were chatting just before we went live there about your experience with OpenVino and how you got into that. Would you like to share that story too?
Yeah, sure. In the OpenVino challenge, um, I was doing my dash cam work, and I was working on 3 other projects. One was queue monitoring,
Hmm.
um, where we have to um, in a production line, we have to manage how many items are getting through the production line, and you have to
Hmm.
take count of that. Then the other one was a people counter, where in a video we have to tag, we have to identify the person, and in the person we have to build a people counter model, which takes account
Hmm.
of people, and which even takes account of people which are new, or which are existing in the video. Um, then it was about working with the IntelliEdge Dev Cloud, which is
Hmm.
quite vast. Then working with the HTTP interface of the course module, where the camera feed is driven directly from a website, and you have to infer into your workspace OpenVINO model,
Hmm.
which is a bit tricky because the lag time involved is a huge lag time, and we
Hmm.
have to optimize the inference based on execution time and based on the frames per second.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd imagine that was sort of like a bit of a challenge sometimes with the frame side of things, with internet connectivity and such like that. You know, the opportunity with yourself and all the other teams getting your Visi AIs as phase 2 winners, and congratulations on getting through to phase 2. You you can now do that inferencing on the single board kit there to do the inferencing using OpenVINO. I think it would be great to share with everybody as well about where you've learned about OpenVINO and the courses that you were doing. Could you did the Udacity course. How did you find that?
Yeah, I bought the neural compute stick with the course itself. Then the course itself was organized by a couple of study jams. And a couple of sessions where mini hackathons were conducted. The study jams included giving presentation about, I gave a presentation about performance optimization and spoke about Intel TBB. And Intel was, in fact, developing the new One API, which is combining the coding method for every device, for GPU, VPU, as well as a CPU, for XPUs, basically. And in the OpenVINO challenge, we had to program the VPU, we had to program the GPU, as well as we had to program the CPU. It was using OpenCL, and it was using on the GPU many optimized drivers. Yeah.
So then, when you once you've done your inferencing and you've taught the model in your inferencing and you're getting the output that you want from it, how have you usually considered what you would then do with that data to bring the value out from it?
Yeah, normally this the process is like you have to annotate the video to demonstrate the work. So each project has a demo video, and that demo video needs to be uploaded. And there's a GitHub project link that you upload, as well as in the programming section, we have to deal with several different types of models. So, for example, a post estimation model takes through a different routine. SSD model, single shot detector model, uses a different routine of post processing as well as pre processing. So they are quite different. Even the course itself, OpenVINO itself, they talk about how to debug the code and how to debug the OpenVINO environment quite a lot. And using OpenVINO, we know from the fact that the inferencing time is quite low as compared to a TensorFlow or a Caffe model.
Excellent, and really excited to see what you make with your device there, Visi AI, and with all the tools that we've given you with AD-Link Edge platform and the applications to help collect the data to build your models, then inference it, check the quality of your models, and then also use that inference output to then start to create reactions, such as putting it in databases where you want, or turning lights on, sending text messages, like we did with the live demo a couple of weeks ago with Chris Hill and Raymond Lowe from Intel. Hey guys, thanks very much for your time. Let's just have a quick look at a short video to see what prizes these guys are competing for with the other 9 teams.
Phase 1 winners will receive an AD-Link Visi AI Developer Kit, which is a bundle of powerful hardware and software to build your prototype with. The hardware is a Smart 2 board, which is industrial ready. It has a 4GB RAM, an Intel Atom 3940 CPU, and an Intel Myriad X VPU, so plenty of power for AI vision. The Visi AI also has very intuitive software included with it, the AD-Link Edge platform, which has vision tools, and OpenVINO and Node-RED included. As a Phase 2 team member, You will also receive direct support from Intel and AD-Link whilst you develop your prototype, so don't worry about support. The final prize. The winning team will win a cash prize of $10,000, but we don't stop there. An amazing opportunity to collaborate with AD-Link to validate the prototype with the market. That will include support in creating marketing material like a press release, a promo video, a use case, a solution brief, and the support with organising meetings to validate your prototype with the market. This gives you a great foundation to really push forward in making an impact with your prototype. I think you agree this prize could be life-changing for you and your team, so good luck.
There we go. There's the prizes that the guys are competing for. Aswin, Divya, thank you very much for your time this evening. Have a great weekend. Good luck with the hack. You know that we, myself and the other mentors, are available on the Slack channel to support you. We'll support you with anything we can, industry insight, as well as the technology side of things as well.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much for your time. Look forward to catching up with you in a couple of weeks. Take care now and have a great weekend. Good night, everybody.
Bring that circuit component over here. Now, I'm not in the habit of taking